Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a FB group or Facebook group. So first open your Facebook app as you can see on your screen right now. And then all you need to do is tap on the three lines at the top right or the profile picture at the top right. And then right here, if you want to see the tabs right here, just tap on these groups and then you will find all the groups on these Facebook. Now to add a new group, just tap this plus icon at the top right beside the settings icon and then tap this create a group right here, and then you will find you can now name your group. So for this video I just want to name this as sample, and then on the privacy you can set up to public or private, then tap on create group. Next, you can now invite members from your friend list. So you just tap this invite button at the right side of the profile name. So you just find here the friends that you want to add or invite on your group right here. Now you can also choose the tab right here, the location. So if you want to find the specific person or account that you want to add. Now once you've done, you can now tap on next. Then on the next page, you need to add a cover photo. So just tap this upload cover photo from your gallery. Now for the sample, I just want to use this photo right here. And then you can now tap on save after you drag to adjust. So tap on saved. Now once you've done adding some cover photo, you can now go right here on continue letter, and just right here you can add a description, or you can also tap that continue, and here it goes like this, the new group that I created for myself. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.